What is hidden beneath the Bermuda Triangle seabed? Are you one of those who are fond of intimidating historical events and places and want to know more about them? If yes, then stay tuned, because today we are going to talk about what is hidden beneath the seabed of Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most mysterious regions in the world. It's an area where planes and ships have mysteriously vanished without a trace, leaving no trail behind except for stories told by those who survived the ordeal. It has been referred to as the Devil's Triangle because so many ships have gone down there over the years. Scientists still need to find out what causes these disappearances. Still, they have come up with many theories as well as possible solutions. The Bermuda Triangle is renowned for its strange phenomena, but what is happening beneath the waves? The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the Atlantic Ocean nicknamed the Devil's Triangle due to its mysterious disappearances. It is known for its strange phenomena, including monster sightings and UFO activity. The Bermuda Triangle is comprised of three separate regions: the Sargasso Sea and its surrounding area, which includes North Carolina's Outer Banks, Puerto Rico, St. Augustine Beach, Florida, and Georgetown County, South Carolina. The area has been described as a zone of mystery. The Bermuda Triangle is known for its mysterious disappearances, but what really happened? The first recorded disappearance occurred in 1918 when a five-masted schooner called the Lady of the Sea vanished without a trace. In 1925, the U.S. Coast Guard lost one of its ships to the Bermuda Triangle, followed by another ship that went missing while transporting passengers from Cape Hatteras to Miami Beach. In 1941, 5 aircraft went missing without a trace while flying over the triangle. The U.S. Navy sent an entire squadron of planes to find them, but they were never heard from again. In 1945, 2 ships disappeared in 1 week and were never seen again. One was carrying 300 passengers and crew members, while the other had 200 on board. Both vanished into thin air. The most famous disappearance occurred in December 1945, when the flight carrying 25 people from Miami to San Juan never arrived. The plane was never found, and no one on board survived. In the 1940s and 1950s, more planes and ships went missing. This prompted many theories about what happened to them. One theory suggests an island within the Bermuda Triangle where people get lost. Another indicates that aliens abducted these people as part of their research. Other theories suggest that there are underwater trenches in the area, which can cause planes to crash. The Florida Straits were also known for intense storms and high winds that could have caused the aircraft to crash. A third theory suggests that strong magnetic forces within the Bermuda Triangle make it impossible for planes to land safely. Yet another means that these ships and aircraft were caught in storms so bad they sank. And another theory is that the triangle is a portal to another dimension where these planes and ships have disappeared. The reason why this area attracts so many paranormal investigators? Its history holds many unanswered questions about what happened during our past centuries when people disappeared mysteriously from ships or planes without leaving any trace behind them, or if there were any survivors. Many people have become adrift in the Bermuda Triangle after losing control of their boats. Some have been stranded for days, while others were rescued by other ships or the Coast Guard. But what exactly is happening? Theories range from bad luck to paranormal activity. Some say it's just a place where bad things happen to good people. In contrast, others believe there's an underlying cause, some magnetic force field that traps objects nearby and prevents them from moving away from it, like how magnets attract metal objects together but not wooden ones, or perhaps something else entirely like alien technology. The ocean may fizzle out, robbing vessels of their power. The ocean is a dynamic environment, not a static one. When you think of the ocean, you probably picture waves crashing against each other and dragging ships into the depths of what's known as the Bermuda Triangle. But this is only true in certain areas, only sometimes. Your vessel can run out of power because there was no storm or tide change to explain its disappearance. In addition to being constantly changing from day-to-day conditions due to weather patterns and currents, oceans also have tides that can cause changes in water levels several feet above our heads at any given moment. These would affect how far away from shore our boat would be when we lost power. The Bermuda Triangle is an area of ocean that has been the site of many disappearances and unexplained events. A vortex is a spiraling column of air or water that can trap or kill ships. These vortices form when warm air rises and cools as it ascends. creating pockets where winds converge into intense whirlpools called cyclones. These cyclones can cause harm to boats and aircraft traveling through them, as happened during Hurricane Joaquin. Some experts have rejected the methane hydrate theory. One of the more popular theories regarding the Bermuda Triangle is methane hydrate, a solid form of natural gas. Methane hydrate can be found in the seabed and has been linked to disappearances in other areas worldwide. Methane hydrates have been found at depths over 2 miles below the water surface and are thought to release large amounts of carbon dioxide when they melt. This would explain why some people claim that large quantities of methane are trapped beneath their feet while diving into this area or exploring its depths with their sonar equipment, which uses sound waves instead of visible light. Some people even believe this source could provide fuel for future generations if we could extract it safely and cleanly. So, what is the real reason for the mysterious disappearances over the centuries? The Bermuda Triangle is a real place. It exists in the Atlantic Ocean and is home to several hundred small islands, most uninhabitable. The name comes from the location. The triangle formed by 3 points of Bermuda Island, Vázquez Island, and San Juan Island. The last two are part of Washington State. Many people believe that when ships pass through this area, they disappear without a trace. They vanish into thin air. There has been so much speculation about what may be happening here that you could fill volumes with theories about what could cause such strange events as these. But whether or not these ideas make sense depends on how much knowledge we have about our planet's past. If anyone can tell us exactly how long ago something happened or how far away it was from us at that time, then maybe we'll understand better why some things happen today than others do. The Bermuda Triangle is a notorious ocean area where many ships and planes have mysteriously disappeared. Still, no one knows for sure what lies beneath the seabed. Many theories about what could be lurking below the surface, ranging from sunken treasure to aliens. No one knows how many people have disappeared in this area over the years. Still, some records show that more than 1,200 vessels have lost their way there since 1947, including aircraft carriers and oil tankers. Why is it called the Devil's Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is known as the Devil's Triangle because 3 centuries ago, it was believed by many sailors to be cursed with bad luck. For example, in 1592, Christopher Columbus sailed through an area called La Bahia de San Salvador. While searching for land along the second voyage across North America, he never returned home. So, the Bermuda Triangle is mysterious, full of stories about ships and planes disappearing. But what if those stories have been hidden in plain sight all along? The ocean can be perilous, but many people travel there every year. They don't know that the Bermuda Triangle may be hiding something even more bizarre than they could imagine. Creatures that can only survive in this one spot on Earth because they live off nutrients from nearby oil fields or other natural resources below the seabed. And that was it for today's video, guys. We hope you found this video informative and intriguing because these facts are pretty intimidating. For future videos, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video.